So I got this $1 microphone on AliExpress, and this is what the audio quality sounds like.
Testing, 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 testing.
Well, that quality isn't that bad, but it's rather too dry. What if I told you there was a way you can make this $1 microphone sound a lot more professional after you've recorded with it using this free software called Audacity? Even if you don't have this microphone and you are using just your smartphone to record your audio for YouTube videos, you can still get these very high quality audios for your videos. Now I know that some of you already know this software, but I'm certain there's a special feature you don't know of that can help your audio quality sound a lot more professional. And I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process for editing your audio using Audacity. All of this is for free. So if that sounds interesting to you, we're talking about audio, so it has to sound interesting to you, then follow me to my screen where I'm going to show you how all of this is done. By the way, it's super easy to set up. So the first thing I'm going to do is get Audacity on your PC. So you head over to your browser. Once you've typed in Audacity, click on it, and then you see this download button. And this is Audacity. I can record any audio by clicking this red button, or I can drag and drop in my audio file to edit it. This is my file, testing audio. I'll drag it and drop it. Now this is what my audio sounds like.
Testing, 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 testing.
First of all, we are going to remove that sound. That sound seems to be constant. So what I'm going to do is highlight a small portion of this audio file and then go to effects, go down to noise removal and repairs, and under that noise reduction, click on get noise profile. After I've gotten my noise profile, double click on my mouse to highlight my entire audio clip and then go back to effects, go down to repeat noise reduction. Now let's listen to my audio again. As you can hear, you still have that sound. So I'm going to repeat this process again until I am satisfied with what I'm listening to. So after about 2 trials, this is what I have.
Testing, 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 testing.
So that's the first part. Now let's add our special effects. Double click on this entire clip, go to effects and go down to EQ and filters. Under that, I'm going to go to filter curve. So in preset and settings, I'm going to click on factory presets. I'm going to add 3 of these factory presets. Bass boost, click on apply, go over again, EQ filters, filter curve, preset and settings, factory resets, roll off for speech. Click on that, apply. Now effects for the last time, factory presets, treble boost. Click on that and apply. Now let's listen to what those special effects have done to my audio.
Testing, 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 testing.
Wow, can you hear that?
Testing, 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 testing.
Now I'm going to leave a comparison video at the end of this video so you can hear what it sounds like before and what it sounds like after. But that sound is still in the background, so let's clear this whole thing one more time. So I'm going to pick my sample, go back to effects, noise reduction, get profile, double click, effects, repeat noise reduction.
Testing, 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 testing.
This is nice. So at this point, if you want to continue cleaning the audio, you can do that. There are a bunch of features and effects here for you to pick and use. But for me, I think I'm okay with this. So I'm going to go to my file, click on export audio, export to computer. You can rename your file here. I'm okay with this. Save and export. Yes, this is my audio. Very simple.
Testing, 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 testing.
So do you have a YouTube channel?
No.
Do you want to start a YouTube channel?
Yes.